and welcome back to my Easy Peasy segment. This week, we'll be learning how to make ice cream in less than 2 minutes with 4 ingredients to create your base. This batch will give you about 2 liters. If you want to add flavor to your ice cream, just go with how you feel. For vanilla ice cream, I usually add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. Stay tuned this Friday where we'll be using this ice cream base to create something delicious for summer. If you enjoyed this video, go hit that like button and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.